I don't see any eggs.
There.
Where?
There.
Oh, look at all those yellow eggs. I wonder what's inside them.
Double more. That's giant tiger.
So Ashton, what have we got here? Ashton? Eggs? Where are the eggs? I don't see any eggs.
There.
Where?
There.
Oh, look at all those yellow eggs. I wonder what's inside them. Whoa, how many eggs do you have?
10.
Are you sure? Did you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, why don't we take them out and count them one by one?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
You can bring the bucket closer to you. There you go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
We're done.
Oh, you got all of them. Oh boy, so now we get to open and see what's inside.
Well, then this one.
Don't know what it could be. There's a bucket here.
It's number 5.
The number 5? What is that though? What is it?
It's a blue. It's a blue turtle.
Oh, let me see. Oh, a number 5 blue turtle.
What's in this
Oh,
one?
look at his little eyes.
What's in this one?
He's so cute.
What's in this one?
I don't know.
It's all open.
What is it?
The number 2.
Oh, a number 2 turtle.
2.
Oh, and what color is he? What color is that turtle?
I don't know.
You don't know what color this is?
It is orange.
Yeah.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah. Let's line them up. We gotta put them in order, right? The numbers in order. So what comes first? 2?
This is white.
Oh, turn it that way?
This is white.
Okay, okay.
But you for lose.
What?
Yeah, you for lose.
I'm confused?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's in this one?
I don't know.
Huh?
Do you hear anything?
No.
I don't either. Maybe it's empty.
No.
Oh,
It's
it's
a
a red turtle. It's awful quiet.
It's a number 4.
Okay.
It's a number 4.
Okay, 5, 4. We counting backwards?
No.
Okay.
The 4th.
Okay, okay.
What's in this one?
Oh, I see.
It's all open.
Is it hard to open?
No.
Oh, you got it.
It's a number 3.
A number 3. Look at that. And you're getting them in order. 5, 4, 3, 2.
What's in this egg?
I don't know. Oh,
It's open.
it opened.
It's the number 3.
It's a number 3? Oh, 2 number 3s. You just had a number 3. Okay. You can put one on top of the other? Like in front of it? Yeah, like that. There you go. That'll work.
But in this egg.
Maybe it's the number 1?
No.
Oh no. Maybe it's the number 2?
It's a number 5.
Number 5! Oh my goodness. 2 number 5s.
What's in this egg?
I think it's a...
I hear something inside.
You do?
It's all open.
It's open?
It's the number 1.
The number 1. And what color is that one?
The green.
Green. And the number 3, what color was that?
Yellow.
Yellow. The number 4?
Red.
Red. And the number 5?
Blue.
Blue. And the number 2?
Orange.
Orange. You want to put them all together? They're kind of far away from each other. The 2 and the 1. There you go. They want to be friends. They'd be close.
What's in this egg?
I don't know. It's not empty? Oh, it's so hard to open. Use all your strength.
It's a number 4.
Oh, number 4.
I have 2 number 4s.
2 number 4s.
There's 2 truths. There's 2 ones.
There's 2 ones? Oh, I see. What's missing? The number 1 and the number 2.
Oh, it's a number 2.
Oh, you see a pattern there?
Yeah.
2 5s, 2 4s, 2 3s. What comes next?
2 2s.
2 2s. And now what?
2 ones.
No way. Open all your strength. Squeeze it. Pull, 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 pull. Oh, yeah, there's something inside. I heard that. Wow, that's the hardest one of all. What's going on there?
I don't know.
Almost got it, I think. Maybe?
No.
You need Mama's help?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. What if I just kind of squeeze it? Oh, sometimes you just have to kind of squeeze the sides.
Wait, it's already open.
Oh, it's already open?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's the number 1.
The number 1. And what color is he?
Green.
Okay, so what do we got here? Let's tell all the boys and girls what we got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, but you know, the way I'm looking at it from here, because I'm on the other side of the table, the numbers are upside down. Let's turn the eyes of the turtles towards Mama so we could see the numbers right side up on the camera.
I know that's right.
Is this right?
No.
Well, come on this side, it'll be right.
Why does that have to be right?
See? Now, look at them from here.
From here.
See, on this side. So how many green turtles do we have?
2.
Okay, and how many orange turtles do we have?
2.
And how many yellow turtles do we have?
2.
And how many red turtles do we have?
2.
So how many blue turtles do you think we have?
2.
Yay! You opened all the eggs and you found all the turtles. Happy, happy turtles. Okay. Say bye-bye.